Hi, good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Yes, that's nice. How are you tonight?
I'm good.
That's good. Well, can you introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Mai Anh. I'm 10 years old. I'm from Vietnam. My favorite color is purple.
Wow, that's good to know. My eyes, can you tell me about your daily routine?
Yes, I get up at 5 o'clock. I brush my teeth at quarter to 5.
Mm-hmm.
I have shower. I take a shower
Mm-hmm.
at half past 5. I brush my hair at quarter past 5. I get dressed at 6 o'clock. I have dinner at quarter past 5, quarter past 6. I go to school at half past 6. And I go to school.
I catch a bus at
I catch a bus at half past 6. I go to school at quarter to 7.
yes. All right, thank you so much. Now this is Tom. Can you tell me about what time does Tom get up?
Tom get up at 7, half past 7.
Yes, he gets up at 7:30.
He gets up at half past 7.
Maybe half.
Half.
That's good. What time does he have a shower?
He have shower at quarter to 8.
Okay, he has a shower at 8:15. What time does he get dressed?
He get dressed
He gets dressed.
he gets dressed at 8 o'clock.
What time does he eat breakfast?
He eats breakfast at
He eats breakfast.
he eats breakfast at quarter past 8.
And what time does he brush his teeth?
He brushes his
He
teeth.
brushes his teeth.
He brushes his teeth at half past 8.
What time does he catch a bus?
He catch bus. He catches bus at quarter to 9.
Quarter to 9. Thank you. Now let's read all the places. Can you read it?
Cafe, library, cinema, shopping mall, sports center, swimming pool.
That's right. Where can we buy coffee?
We buy coffee in the cafe.
Right. Where can we watch movies?
We watch movie at cinema.
Cinema. Where can we borrow books?
We borrow books at library.
In the library. And where can we play sports?
We play sports at sports center.
That's good. Now let's try to make sentences. There is some and there isn't any. Okay? Can you start?
There,
There is some.
there is some pasta. There is some cereal. There isn't a, a lemon.
There isn't any.
There isn't any lemon. There isn't any bread. There isn't any cucumber.
That's good.
There is some melon. There is some onion. There isn't any meat.
Alright, thank you. Now let's have this one. Can you tell me about the biggest fruit?
The biggest fruit is a melon.
What is the fastest transport?
The fastest transport is a plane.
What is the tallest animal?
The tallest animal is a giraffe.
A giraffe.
A giraffe.
What is the smallest country?
The smallest country is the UK.
What is the slowest animal?
The slowest animal is a monkey.
A monkey. That's right. Now let's have must and mustn't. Can you start?
You mustn't take photos here. You must put bean.
Put the letter
Put the little bean
in the bin.
in the bin here.
You must
You must put the litter in the bin here. You must be quiet. You mustn't bring your pet. You mustn't eat here. You must wash my hand.
You must wash your hands.
You must wash your hand. You mustn't
Use your
use your phone here. You mustn't swim here.
That's good. Now let's try to spell the word, but before that, can you fill in the blank? What are the missing letters? This one.
V
T-H.
H and L.
Alright, what is the word?
Three.
Career. Can you spell each letter? T-H says. Yes. R says. I says. L says. Alright, thank you so much. Now let's try to spell some words. Can you spell the word library?
Library.
Yes.
Y.
That's good. What about the word cinema?
CINEMA.
Very
Cinema.
nice. That's good. Thank you so much. And finally, this is the end of your video test. Congratulations, my eye. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye-bye.